Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a clap and turn around. Which friends do we see today? I see Max and Ethan.
And I see Daniel and Santiago.
And look, I see Diego and Henry. Our friends are here today. Our friends are here today. Yay, friends!
This book is called Spots or Stripes by Lawrence Adley. This is a non-fiction book, meaning it's teaching us true information about these animals.
This little cat has spots. This big cat has spots too.
Leopard cub.
This little cat has stripes. This big cat has stripes too.
Tiger cub.
This little cat has stripes and spots. This big cat has stripes and spots too.
Ocelot cub.
This big cat has no stripes and no spots.
It is a big lion.
Boys and girls, we're going to sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm.
And look, I see Old MacDonald and his barn.
And he has a cow.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And he has a duck on his farm.
There's a duck.
And
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And he also had a horse.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh, neigh here and a neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And he also has a pig.
A pig.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And you can keep singing, boys and girls, with any animals that you can think of that are on the farm.
Miss Kari, what do you have
I
today?
know, I'm so excited to open it up. Oh my gosh, there is so much fun stuff in here.
It's her Tiny Tot animal box.
Oh my gosh, there's a little dinosaur in here. There are some really fun books. Old MacDonald and a Spots and Stripes book. There's a water squirter that I can use in the bathtub. Ooh, this looks like I can roll the dice. And do the animals, it's a frog, they hop. I can hop like a frog. There's oh, this looks like an animal bingo game that we can play. And I spy woodland animals. like some stickers and some animal stripes and stuff that it looks like I could probably make a collage and make a picture with that.
And I bet, are there some papers for parents in that box
There
too,
are.
for the grown-ups?
There's papers for the grown-ups, and I think this one paper even tells you what you can do with all the activities and has directions.
Oh, that looks cool. Oh, and I see a YouTube page too. I think that means that they can watch all of these and other little
Yes.
videos on YouTube.
And then, oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, and there's paint, and it looks like there's paint and an ink pad and a stamper in here for some art activities. And when you complete your activities, you can turn this box into a portable flannel board. So it says that when you're done with the box, you can take this piece of felt and you can glue it on here. And then you have got flannel board pieces to tell the story about Brown Bear. So you can do Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. And it looks like there's some other animals in the story. So you can turn that into your flannel board, and then you can just store your animals right in the box.
That looks
And
like
close it up.
so much fun.
That is a great idea to reuse our box.
Hello. Welcome to Parent Pointers, a project of Willmar Public Schools Early Childhood Family Programs under the umbrella of Willmar Community Education, housed at Jefferson Learning Center in Willmar, Minnesota. Now let's look at how Tiny Tots can explore with animal figures. Let's start with something like a discovery basket that's filled with items that your child can explore with all his senses. When choosing the animals, be sure they don't have sharp parts that could hurt your baby. Next is sensory bins. You can use a bin filled with regular play sand, or try a bin with kinetic sand and a variety of toys and materials to explore with. Setting up a sensory bin is easy. You just need a fairly large container, some filling, and then animals or a variety of other tools and objects like the ones listed on the screen. Nature walks are a great way to be on the lookout for animals in their natural habitat, for objects that are found in nature, and just for exploring the smells, sights, and sounds of our natural world together. Matching is an activity that's not only fun to do, but it's also building early math skills. Perhaps you will find animal parents and their babies, or maybe you will sort and match by different colored figures. Reading books together can be even more fun if you decide to find figures that are in your story, like this little cow and duck that I found. We hope you have some Play-Doh at your house. We've included a link to a recipe if you haven't. You can use your Play-Doh and have your animals make footprints in it. Toddlers love to scoop and transfer things from one place to another. You can try using scoops or tweezers like shown here, or just regular spoons can help put objects from one place to another. Learning about opposites is another thing you can do with your animal figures. See if you can find big and little animals, or maybe light animals and heavy animals. Critter rescue is a little tricky, but it can help develop fine motor skills. The child can try and use a tweezers to get the objects out of the basket. The West Central Minnesota Talking is Teaching campaign is proud to be a sponsor of the Tiny Tots boxes. Free coaching is available for parents and caregivers to assist them as they talk, play, read, sing, and guide their kids through childhood. Contact us at the numbers listed on the screen or at the links below. like us on Facebook at Willmar ECFP. Thanks for watching.